Hello, my name is Alia, and today I want to share a story with you. A story about my journey of learning English and how one simple conversation changed everything for me. It was a beautiful morning in London. I was on my way to meet some friends. As I sat on the bus, I noticed a woman sitting beside me. She smiled and asked, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" For a second, I froze. My mind went blank. I wasn't sure how to respond. But then I remembered all the English words I had been practicing. I looked at her and said, "No, please, go ahead." My heart was racing, but she smiled and sat down. And at that moment, I realized something. Speaking English isn't scary at all. But wait, here's the catch. I wasn't fluent yet. I still made mistakes. I still hesitated. But the more I practiced, the more confident I became. I started speaking English everywhere. At the coffee shop, in the store, even with strangers on the street. And then, one day, something amazing happened. I was at a cafe when I met another woman. She smiled and asked, "How's your day going?" I took a deep breath and replied, "It's going great, thank you. What about you?" Her eyes lit up. She smiled and said, "You're doing fantastic." That moment changed everything for me. I realized English isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about communication. As I continued my journey, something magical happened. I started dreaming in English. I started thinking in English. I started speaking without hesitation. I wasn't just learning a language, I was living it. So if you're just starting your journey, listen to me. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to feel nervous. As I continued my journey, something magical happened. I started dreaming in English. I started thinking in English. I started speaking without hesitation. I wasn't just learning a language, I was living it. So, if you're just starting your journey, listen to me. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to feel nervous, but never stop speaking. Never stop practicing. Because one day, just like me, you'll wake up and realize you're confidently speaking English every single day. If you found this story inspiring, like, share, subscribe, and remember, learning English is not about perfection. It's about progress.